Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are fine. So last class what we learned ma? We learned addition, right? Yes, everyone know that addition? Yes, okay. Then counting forward, addition by counting forward we learned, right? How to add, like that and all we learned. Then we learned some sums. Am I correct? Yes, more worksheet are there, right? Worksheet 1, 2, 3. If you have time at that time, you have to do all the worksheets. Okay, ma? Understood? Yes. So you have to do the worksheet again and again. If you practice means it will be easy for you. Okay. So more sums are there. That one you have to write. Okay. In that worksheet, if you have any doubt, you have to ask me. Okay, ma? So see, today we are going to see a new chapter, that is subtraction. Okay, same concept, only little different. Okay, see here, subtraction means, the symbol of subtraction is what? Already we learned. Addition means plus. S. For subtraction means the symbol is minus. Okay, the symbol of subtraction is minus. In subtraction, how many types of subtractions are there? Two types of subtraction are there. One is horizontal subtraction, another one is vertical subtraction, but same method only. Okay, see here, horizontal means like this the question will be given. See here, apples, mangoes, oranges, or all the things are in which shape? Horizontal direction. But see here, in vertical direction means this is called vertical direction. Like this the sum will be given. Okay, here the sum is given as horizontal direction. Vertical means like this the sum will be given, but the concept is same. Okay, shall we go for the exercise sum? Exercise 4.1. So first you have to listen, afterwards you write. Okay, ma? So see here, first exercise 4.1. See the first one, cross out and subtract. Cross out and subtract. So first what you have to do, you have to add all the question is given 6 minus 4. What is the question? The question is 6 minus 4. So minus 4 is given. So minus 4 means already the question is cross out. So you have to cross. Okay, you have to cross out. This is how many apples? See the first one. The first one is 6. Then the second one is 4. Okay, see here 6 minus 4 is given. So the first, see the apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples are there. Am I correct? Then see the second number. The second number is 4. So how many you have to cross out? 4 you have to cross out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are cancelling 4, remaining how many apples are there? 2 apples. Am I correct? So you have to write 2 here. Understood, my everyone? Yes. So first see the first number. 6 minus 4 means what you have to do? This 4 you have to cancel. Then remaining how much you have to write. Okay. In addition you will forward the numbers, right? You have to count forward. But in subtraction, what you have to do? You have to cancel and write. You have to fold. Otherwise, for example, 6 minus 4 means what you have to do? You have to take 6 fingers in your hand. Okay, 6 fingers in your hand. The second number is 4. So, how many fingers you have to fold? 4 fingers you have to fold. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, remaining how much? 2. So, the answer is 2. Okay, like this only you have to do. Then see the next one. 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4 means here 8 mangoes are there. Am I correct? Yes, 8 mangoes are there. See the second number. The second number is 4. So how many mangoes you have to cross out? 4. So how many mangoes you have to cross out? 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you have to write 4. Then again here you see how many oranges are given. The question is 5 minus 3. So 5 oranges are there. Am I correct? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 oranges. In that 5 oranges, how many you have to cross out? Second number is 3. So 3 oranges you have to cross out. So remaining how much? 2. Okay, understood? Okay, then see here. Subtraction facts. Subtraction facts. What are the facts means? See here. If you are subtracting with 0, 1 minus 0 means what will come? Same 1 will come. Okay. If for example 1 minus 0 means what is given? 1 lollipop is given. Assume that 1 lollipop is given. If you are minus 0 means nothing is there. So same number, same lollipop is there. So only 1 lollipop is there, that one. In addition also what I said, if you are adding with 0, any number, the same 1 will come. Okay. Then here in minus, if you are subtracting with 0 also, same number will come. Both addition and subtraction, if 0 is there, both are, what you have to write? You have to write the numbers only. Okay ma, understood? Okay, see here. In addition, we saw that combination method, right? Like stars are given, you have to count and write. Like that you learned, right? Here you see strawberries, that and all. Here also the same like that. Here first you see exercise 4.2, count the stars that are not crossed out and filling the blanks. Actually already it's given, the question itself given, and see here first 3 minus 0. What I said, if you are subtracting with 0 any number, the same number, right? Here 0 means you need not to cross out. So how many stars are there? 3 stars. So you are writing 3 here. Okay ma? The next one, see here 3 stars are there. Second number is 1. So you have to cross out 1. So remaining how many stars? 1, 2. So you have to write 2 here. Okay ma? Then see here 3 stars are there. So second number is 2. You have to cancel, means 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then here 3 stars are there. The second number is 3. So if you are cancelling 3, remaining 0 is there. Like that you have to do. Okay ma? See here. Then 4. 4 stars are given. 4 minus 0, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 4 minus, like that it's given. You have to count and write the stars. Okay. Here how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 4. Then here how many stars? 3 stars. So you have to write 3 stars. Then 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means, see here 2 stars, right? If you are cancelling these 2, so you have to write how many stars? 1, 2, 2. Understood? Okay. See here. Then see here 5 minus 0. So if you are here 5 stars are there. So 0 is there. So no need to cross out, right? So again the answer is 5. If you are cancel 1, remaining 5 minus 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to count and write all these exercise. Okay. Easy only. So 3, 4, 5, 6, these everything you have to complete. Okay. From this you have any doubt, you have to ask. Okay ma? So next, see the next one. Subtraction by counting back. Okay, subtraction by counting back. See here the first example, 5 minus 3. Already I said, right? Here also I said 9 minus 1 means you have to take 9 fingers, then 1 you have to cancel. Like that only here also. This is a easy method. Okay. So 5 minus 3 means what you have to do? You have to take, see the first number. The first number is 5. Am I correct? So you have to take 3. Second number. All of you take 5 fingers in your hand, everyone. All of you take. Okay, very good. Then the second number is here 3, right? So how many fingers you have to cut? 3. So 1, 2, 3. You have to fold how many fingers? 3 fingers. If you are folding 3 fingers, remaining how much? 1, 2. Am I correct? So the answer is what? 2. Okay ma? Understood? Very easy, right? Yes. Addition means what you will do? You will count forward. Understood? Yes. But here what you have to do? You have to fold the finger and write the remaining number. Very easy, right? Yes. Then see you will go for the exercise. Okay? See here exercise 4.3. Read the question. Subtract the following by counting back. Okay? Subtract the following by counting back. Okay? So easiest method only I am saying. Okay? See here 8 minus 6. So 8 minus 6 is equal to how much? 8 minus 6 is equal to how much? What you have to do? First, how many fingers you have to take? The first number is 8. So, how many fingers you have to take? 8 fingers. So, all of you fast take 8 fingers in your hand. All of you take 8 fingers. Okay. Then see the next one. 6. Am I correct? Yes. So, fold your 6 finger. So, how many fingers you have to fold? 6 fingers. So, shall we start? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then remaining how many fingers are there? 1, 2. So, what is the answer here? The answer is 2. Okay? The answer is 2. Once again I am telling, listen carefully. 8 minus 6 is given. Yes? So, the first number is what? 8. The second number is what? 6. So, the first number 8, right? That one you have to take in finger. So, all of you take 8 fingers in your hand. Okay, very good. Then next, how many fingers? Second one, second number is 6. That much you have to fold. Okay? So, all of you take your 8 fingers, then fold 6 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, remaining how many fingers are there? 1, 2. So, 2 fingers are there, right? Am I correct? Yes. So, you have to write 2. Second one, see the second sum. Okay? See here, 7 minus 2. So, 7 minus 2, again, how many fingers you have to take? Yes, 7 fingers you have to take. Then remaining how many fingers are there? See here, 2. The second number is 2. So, what you have to do? 7 minus 2 means? Yes, 7 fingers you are taking. Then how many fingers you have to fold? 2 fingers you have to fold. Then remaining how many fingers are there? 5. Am I correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the answer is what? 5. Okay? So, like that you have to do. 7 minus 2 we finished. The next one, 3 minus 2. Okay? So, 3 minus 2 is equal to how much? So, 3 minus 2 is how much? How many fingers you have to take? Yes, 3 fingers you have to take. Then how many fingers you have to fold? 2 fingers you have to fold. Am I correct? Yes. 1, 2. So, remaining how much? Remaining how many fingers? Only 1. So, you have to write 1 here. Okay? So, see the next one. 5 minus 4. So, here 5 minus 4. First, what you have to do? How many fingers you have to take? 5 fingers you have to take. Then, second one is 4. So, how many fingers you have to fold? 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are folding 4 fingers, remaining how much? 1, right? So, 1 you have to write. Okay? Then, see here. 6 minus 2. So, 6 minus 2. You have to take how many fingers? 6 fingers. Am I correct? Yes. Remaining how much? See here. 2 fingers you have to fold. So, if you are taking 6, then if you are cancelling 2, 1, 2. Then, how many fingers are there? 4 fingers. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you have to write 4 here. Understood, ma? Then, 4 minus 0. Already I said, if you are subtracting with 0 with any number, what you have to do? The same number you have to write. Understood, everyone? The next one, 9 minus 7. Here, 9 minus 7 means, see, first you have to take 9 fingers. All of you take 9 fingers. Then the second number is 7. So, you have to fold how many fingers? 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, remaining how many fingers are there? 1, 2. So, you have to write 2 here. Okay? Then 8 minus 4. That also same. You have to take 8 fingers. Then how many fingers you have to fold? 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if you are folding 4 fingers, remaining how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the answer is what? 4. So, subtraction is very easy. Am I correct? This is the horizontal subtraction. Okay? Like this, it will be given means that is the horizontal subtraction. Sleeping line. Okay? Horizontal subtraction means it is in standing line. Okay? Understood, ma? Vertical subtraction means that is a standing line. Okay, this is a horizontal subtraction. Okay, understood? Okay, then subtraction on number strip. Okay, subtraction on number strip. Okay, see here. 39 minus 4. First, you have to see the example sum. 39 minus 4. So, already the number strip. This is called a number strip. Number tables is given, that is called a number strip. Okay. So, 39 minus 4. So, what you have to do? First, you have to put your finger at 39. So, first number is 39. Listen carefully. See here, the first number is 39. So, everyone have finger, right? So, put your finger at 31 on the number strip. 39 is here. Then, see the second number. Second number is what? 4. So, what you have to do? Go back. Go back by 4 places. Then you will got the answer. Okay. So, go back. How many places you have to go back? The number is 4. So, 4 times you have to go back. 4 steps, right? So, 39. You have to put your finger at 39, then go back by 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, fourth one, what is the number in the number strip? 35. That is the answer here. You have to write the answer as 35. Understood, ma? Once again, I am telling, listen carefully. See here, 39 is given. So, put your finger on 39. Then go back how many places? 4. So 4 places you have to go back. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer here? The answer is 35. Okay, understood? The answer is 35. Okay, shall we go to the exercise? See here. Exercise 4.4. Use number strip and do the following subtraction. Okay, use number strip and do the following subtraction. So, some numbers are given. You have to use the number strip and write the answer. Okay, so the first one is 35 minus 7. Am I correct? Yes, 35 minus 7. So, which number you have to put on your finger? Put your finger at 35. Everyone, put your finger at 35. Then, how many you have to go back? The number is 7. So, 7 you have to go back. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what is the answer? The answer is 28. Now, you got the answer? Yes. Now, you got the concept? Yes. So, see the next one. 41 minus 5. So, where you have to put your finger? 41. Okay. Then, you have to go back. How many? The number is 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 36. Am I correct? Yes. Very good. Okay. The next here. 39 minus 9. So, where you have to put your finger? Here 39. Then 9 is 9. Second number is 9. So, you have to go back 9. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, what is the answer? The answer is 30. Okay, understood everyone? Yes. The next one. 37 minus 5. So, you have to put your finger in 37. Then minus 5. You have to go back 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the answer is 32. Like that, you have to complete these sums. Okay, understood everyone? So, this is a vertical subtraction. Okay, standing line, right? Vertical subtraction. So, next one, the same method only. Okay, subtracting a 1-digit number and a 2-digit number. See here it is given. See here 84 is a 2-digit number, but 2 is a 1-digit number, right? So, you have to subtract these two with 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. Same concept only. See here In addition also, first what you have to do? In the ones place, first you will take and add, right? Here also the same. First you have to take in the ones place. 4 minus 2. This is in vertical subtraction, standing line. So 4 minus 2. So you have to take 4 fingers. Then how many fingers you have to fold? 2. So 1, 2. Then remaining how many fingers are there? 2. So you have to write 2 here. Understood? Understood everyone? The next, here no numbers. So you have to put 0. So 8 minus 0, you know already, right? If you are subtracting with 0, the same number you have to write. So you have to write 8 here. Understood, ma? The next one, 6 minus 5. First you have to subtract this ones place. So 6 minus 5. So what you have to do? You have to take 6 fingers in your hand. Then how many fingers you have to fold? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining how much? 1. That one you have to write here, 1. Then here no number, so you have to put 0. So 5 minus 0, 5. Understood everyone? Yes. Here also 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 means you have to take 9 fingers. Then how many fingers you have to fold? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining how many fingers are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 4 here. 3 minus 0 as usual. 0 is there, so same number you have to write. 3. Understood, ma? Very easy, right? So you have to complete these sums. These 3 sums you have to do. Okay? The next one. See here. Subtract the following. Here 2-digit numbers are given. Here also 2-digit. Here also 2-digit. But here see here 2-digit. Here only 1-digit, right? But here 2-digit number. But same only. 4 minus 2 means how you have to subtract? You have to take 4 fingers. 2 fingers you have to fold. Then remaining how many fingers? 2. Then 3 minus 1. You have to take 3 fingers. 1 finger you have to fold. Then remaining 1, 2. 2 fingers. Okay? Like that same model. See here 53 and 41 is given. So 3 minus 1. You have to take 3 fingers. Then 1 finger you have to fold. Then remaining how much? 1, 2. So you have to write 2. Then here 5 minus 4. So 5 you have to take. Then 4 fingers you have to fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 1. So you have to write 1 here. Then again 5 minus 3. So you have to take 5. Then 3 you have to fold. 1, 2, 3. Then remaining how much? 2. 1, 2. Then 9 minus 4. You have to take 9 fingers. How many fingers you have to fold? 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write 5 here. Like this you have to complete this sum. So now everyone understood the subtraction, right? You have to do this one, then this one, this much, these and all you have to practice. From this you have any doubt you have to ask. Okay? Here also the same story sums. Exercise 4.7. Okay? Exercise 4.7. See here story sums. A balloon seller had 13 balloons. So 13 balloons are there. 2 balloons burst. So you have to subtract. Okay? So this is a 2-digit number. Am I correct? So what you have to do? 2-digit number means you have to write in the ones place. No need to write in the tens place. If it is a 1-digit number, that is in the ones place you have to write. See here, Ramesh bought 9 eggs, 5 eggs broke. So both are 1 digit. So you have to write in the ones place. 9, then 5 eggs broke, 5 you have to write here. Okay, in the ones place only first you have to write. Okay, 2-digit number means tens place and ones place. Here I had 35 marbles and I lost 22 of them. So you have to write 35, 22. Okay, so no need to write this second sum. Afterwards I will tell. Okay, so you have to complete this first, third, fourth. These and all you have to complete. Okay, ma? First you check whether it is a 1-digit number or 2-digit number. 1-digit number means no need to write in the tens place. You have to write in the ones place. Understood, ma? So you have to do, then worksheets are there. Worksheet 1, 2, 3. If you have time, you have to do. Okay, again and again practice the sum. Okay, then only you know the concept very easily. Okay, so today we learned subtraction. So again and again more problems are there, so you have to do. Okay ma? Okay, understood? So everyone learn. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.